Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for all ebook lovers, the XTEINK X3 Shockproof waterproof case with wrist strap. We discovered this product online and have provided a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The XTEINK X3 is a protective case specifically designed for the XTEINK X3 ebook reader. It's crafted to provide a snug and secure fit, ensuring that your device is well protected while you enjoy your favorite reads. One of the standout features of this case is its shockproof protection. Made from a soft and flexible material, this cover is designed to absorb impacts. So, whether you accidentally drop your e-reader or it takes a tumble in your bag, you can rest assured that it will be safeguarded against bumps and drops. Next up is the waterproof and scratch-resistant feature. The durable skin of the case effectively shields your e-reader from water splashes, making it perfect for reading by the pool or during your daily commute when the weather might not be on your side. Additionally, it provides a layer of protection against everyday surface scratches, keeping your device looking pristine. Another practical aspect of this case is the included wrist strap. This built-in strap offers a secure and comfortable grip, which is particularly useful for those long reading sessions. It allows you to hold your e-reader comfortably without worrying about it slipping from your hands, making it an ideal choice for avid readers who like to read on the go. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves to read while traveling, whether it's on a train, at the beach, or just lounging around the house, this case is a fantastic accessory. It's also perfect for parents who want to protect their child's e-reader from accidental drops or spills. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're on a beach vacation, soaking up the sun with your favorite ebook. With the XTEINK X3 case, you can relax without worrying about sand or water damaging your device. Or perhaps you're commuting to work, and you pull out your e-reader during a crowded subway ride. The shockproof design means even if you have a little bump, your device is safe. In summary, the XTEINK X3 Shockproof waterproof case with wrist strap is an essential accessory for anyone who owns an XTEINK X3 ebook reader. With its protective features, secure fit, and thoughtful design, it enhances your reading